NDC was formed, registered, barely 4 months. And people didn't believe at the time that it was going to be what it is today. And suddenly the party grew. And if I am not too reserved with war, it became the main opposition party by today.
Yes.
And you should know that that will send some concern signal to the party in government if it is not doing well. And we believe that they are not doing well. And the first thing that will occur to you as a party leader is, considering what they have done to other parties or what they have attempted to do to other parties have been issued in the very recent past, you start to think, what is it that they will throw at us? And so, we are not fools not to have not been thinking in that direction. But obviously, as it has been exposed, within the ambit of the law, even as I'm not a lawyer, apparently by what they have done, they could barely not find anything legitimate to throw at us. And just because they just need to do something. Some people just have to do something. Some people just have to get paid. Some people just have to show that they are working. Irrespective of what. That is what they have done, what they have done. And even if you are not a lawyer, from elementary moral perspective, you are talking about a matter that the person involved was not involved, as it were. And even if you attempted to register, I'm not talking as just an ordinary man. Even if you attempted to register a political party with victory sign at the time, and you were not registered, you were declined, the lawyers will answer me. Does it then mean that subsequently, after then, when you were not registered, that symbol cannot be used by another person again? Those are the thoughts that, since I am not a lawyer, that is occurring in my mind. And so what am I saying? By the statement that we have made, which is our official position, we are giving reassurance to all our candidates that the party is fair, our legal team is strong. From the time that breaking news came that our lawyers in court mentioned the outcome of the court, from that time till now, our legal team is working. And our legal team is working with assurance that this is an abuse to the judicial system of this country. And we believe that it is not all implementators or practitioners in the judicial system of this country that will allow the fact that what ought not to be obtained, that will diminish their image, will be kept or will be allowed to stand. And remember, the international community and everybody is watching. We know the calls that we have received in and outside of this country. We are pleading that the judicial players should not drag this country more into the mud. And if there are one or two players that want to show otherwise of this country, we expect some good people and serious-minded people to rise up and say that no, this ought not to stand. This is not the standard. And we in NDC still believes that there are characters like that in this country, and there are characters like that in the judiciary that shall uphold the fact that the judiciary is still the last hope of the common man. And so on that note,